These are the cleaned up pistons and rods. And then the block is all nice and cleaned up, painted, waiting for it to fully cure. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are working on another VR6. This time it is a 12 valve build. This is for a Mark III Jetta. I have currently hot tanked the block, got the cylinders honed, ready for ring gappage. Won't be doing that until after I get the paint cured. It's sitting right now waiting for it to fully dry. It's going to take the next 3 or 4 days for it to happen. After that, I can put in the crank, start checking the clearances on that, start checking the clearances on the rods, and getting the pistons gapped and everything, and start reassembling. So far, hey everybody, I'd like to take a moment just to remind you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button for the YouTube algorithm so I can keep these videos going. I really enjoy doing this stuff. It is fun. Hope you guys learn how to do some of this stuff on your own. If you have any questions, anything, you guys can hit me up on the YouTube channel. You can email me and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Thank you and keep watching. as you guys can see, I got the pistons laid out, ready for the ring gappage when it comes time for it. So once the block is cured, we're going to be putting in our oil galley plugs and coolant plugs, along with our intermittent bearings for the oil pump. A lot of people do not do these two bearings when rebuilding VR6s. It's a very common overlooked issue, but I try to point it out to make sure people get it done. And then we'll get the rest of the goodies for the rebuild, and we'll start going through all that once we get to that point.